Basic uses of I am getting. I am getting ready for school. I am getting tired. I need a rest. I am getting hungry. Let's eat soon. I am getting new car on my birthday. I am getting haircut today. I am getting excited for the party. I am getting ready for office. I am getting a new pet dog. I am getting a surprise gift. I am getting better at playing guitar. I am getting job. I am getting good at reading. I am getting new car. I am getting better. I am getting a cold. I am getting cold and cough. I am getting ready for bed. I am getting toothache. I am getting a puppy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.